Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Max Aptaram. So, today we are going to see ninth lecture on linear transformation. Today we will do some practice on matrices of linear transformation. So, so, so V3R means what? Px does that. Px is a polynomial of degree less than equal to 3. And V2R means Px such that Px is a polynomial of degree. Okay. So here we are considering zero, zero polynomial also. Zero polynomial is also by default. We are considering that zero polynomial is also in both these spaces. Okay. If it is not zero, then its degree should be less than equal to 3. If it is here, it is non-zero, degree will be less than equal to 3. Okay. Then V3R and V2R are vector spaces over the field R. So let's change it. Okay. Right in proper manner. So Px is identically 0 or Px is polynomial over R with degree less than equal to 2. So Px either 0 polynomial or Px is a polynomial over R with degree less than equal to 2. So B3R and B2R vector space over R. Now, question 1 is consider differentiation operator D V3R to V2R. So D Px is equal to P dash x. Okay. What is the matrix representation? What is the matrix representation of D with respect to standard basis. Solution. So standard basis for B3R is this 1x square x cube. Standard basis for V2R is B dash is equal to 1x square. So what is differentiation of polynomial? 1, that is 0. How we can write 0? 0 into 1, 0 into x, 0 into x square. What is differentiation of this? Differentiation of x is 1. So 0 into 1. This is 1. This is equal to 1 into 1, 0 into x. This is 2x, 0 into 1. So matrix of T with respect to standard basis is, what is that? Is that? So 0, 0, 1, 0. So what is first column? 0, 0, 0. Then 1, 0, 0. Then 0, 2, 0. Then 0, 0, 3. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Question 2. Now consider integration operator, integral operator, or you can say integration operator I from V to R to V3R. So what is this? This is, you take Px and you take just integration of Pt into it. What is the matrix representation of I with respect to standard bases. So standard basis is equal to B to R now. This is 1x square standard basis. So V to R and V dash is equal to standard basis V3R. So I is equal to 1 will go to, what is the integration of this? That is x. X we can write 0 into 1, 1 into x. Okay. 0 into x square, 0 into x cubed. What is x? T dt. X square by 0 into 1, 0 into x, 1 by 2 x square, 0 into x. X cubed upon 3. 0 into 1, 0 into x, 0 into x square, 1 upon 3 x cubed. So matrix of I with respect to standard basis is M of I is equal to, what is this? First column is 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, then 0, 0, 1 by 2, 0. 0, 0, 1 by 2, 0. Then 0, 0, 0, 1 by 3. 0, 0, 1 by 3. So this is the answer. So today's lecture up to this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much. We will see you for next lecture.